Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I know this is long overdue. I know I haven't been posting as many videos as you want me to, but I wanted to be honest with you and let you know that I don't want to just post videos just to post videos. I want to actually post video when I get inspired by something that can be beneficial to you, humanity, something that can help you heal, help you move forward, help you gain strength and all that good stuff. So I don't want to just post stuff just for the sake of posting stuff and getting views and followers and likes and all of that. That is not my purpose. I ran out of memory, so I'm trying to make this real quick because I only have about 3 minutes. Anyways, so today, my purpose is to inspire you and to heal you and to guide you. And also, as I'm doing that, I'm evolving as well. So I just want to tell you I love you and I appreciate you and I thank you and I'm here for you. This video's purpose is to talk about gratitude and the power of gratitude. So, what is magic? Magic is gratitude. Magic lies within gratitude. That is how you access the fountain of youth. That is how you access miracles. That is how you access a peace of mind, and that is how you access blessings, any blessings. So I just wanted to remind you to be grateful for every little thing that you have. Stop looking at what you don't have. Stop looking at what other people have and look at what you have and start counting your blessings every day. And I promise you're going to start to see miracles and changes in your life that's going to last a lifetime. And you're also going to start to see changes that's going to inspire you to want to help others and want to inspire others. So make sure you count your blessings every morning when you wake up and right before you go to sleep. Even things as little as being grateful for, first of all, starting off with the air you breathe, having 4 limbs, being healthy, living in a place where it's so beautiful, the weather is nice, being grateful for having a bed to sleep at night, being grateful for having clean water, being grateful for having warm water to shower. I remember me growing up, we had to warm up the water on a bucket on the stove in order for us to have warm showers in Africa. So I definitely have more than enough reasons to be grateful for, and I've lived a miraculous life. I've been blessed throughout my life, and I just wanted to share that secret. And the secret to happiness is gratitude. Being grateful for having all your teeth, being grateful for, just be grateful for everything. Being grateful for having a spoon to eat with, so you don't have to use your hands. Being grateful that you can take a break from, working and go on vacations. Being grateful for every little thing. I promise you, you'll see changes. I love you and I thank you. Be blessed. I love you. Mwah. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, by the way, for more. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. I just wanted to say thank you for joining me here at Love and Light, Peace of Mind. Good vibes all day, every day. Once again, it's love and light, peace of mind. Stay in gratitude, stay in love, and stay in peace. Namaste.